Oh my God!
Are you trying to bang her? Hands on your head while you fucking in the bed. Who's Keyless?
No, somebody bit you.
What?
Nobody.
Yes, Keela.
Oh, you're talking about Keela. I thought you were talking about my sister. I thought
Keela was your sister.
Keela is my sister. I'm talking about my sister. Can she have the ball? No, don't say her nothing. Her nothing. Point at me and say her.
Hey, tomorrow's cupcake and what's her name at Kenny's house?
Oh no!
RJ?
No, James. I was cupcake. Jessica's sister.
You can get on.
Can she get on?
Nick, can you hop on this? Can you splits on the dick? Can you ride my tongue? Yes.
You're gay!
Doing something.
She was like, I never heard of that before, but okay. Look at your face expression too.
This nigga's not even funny. Stop. I'm telling right now. I'm telling my brother. I'm talking to my brother. I'm telling.
Tell your brother, nigga, don't get my brother.
Hey!
My brother will fuck your brother up, nigga.
I'm talking about my brother. He's 14. He'll drop yourself. He'll smash on you though.
I'm not calling him dad.
He'll poop you.
You keep white dog shit.
Oh, he said, I'm not gonna call him stay with your ass. I'm not gonna call him that. There's a fire! Robert, better not get in my face.
Stop rushing me! No, you
Let it happen.
Recording, please.
I'm not. I'm texting.
Let me see.
Let it happen.